I wanted to give my first impression of SilencerCo's new upper receiver. Out of the box, I really like the look. I'm a huge minimalist fan, so whenever I can find a company that doesn't throw their logo everywhere in bold ways, I tend to lean in their direction. They only have two logos that really blend well with the design. The first is on the side in small letters spelling out their name, and the second is on the top, which is just the SilencerCo logo. So great job on the logos and placement. Definitely a fan. So this upper is precision machined from billet 7075 aluminum and finished in type 3 hard anodize. Type 775 aluminum is one of the strongest aluminum alloys available right now, so they made a great choice there. And though 775 isn't the most corrosion resistant, they made up for that with their type 3 hardco anodizing, which is used to increase wear and corrosion resistance, increase the surface hardness, and improve the thermal properties of the receiver. And it also increases the ability to retain lubricants, which is huge because that's exactly what you need for your bolt carrier group. So already, in my opinion, they have made all of the right choices when it came to reliability, design, and longevity. Now, these are just my first thoughts, so I'll make sure to touch on everything I learn about it when I actually put this build together. This is going on my high quality 556 build that's currently in the making. I'm definitely stoked to put this together and share what I used and why. If you want a sneak peek of what all I'm going to use, you can find the build list in my kit on my website under the Radian 556 build. I hope you enjoyed this first look, and I'll see you in the next one.